Listen, if you work at a job you hate and you're thinking about pivoting over into tech, be sure to save and bookmark this video. I'm about to share with you my top 5 careers in tech to go into if you have no experience. Please understand the information I'm about to share with you is vital. The tech and AI space is booming, and that's where you can make a lot of money while also having a lot of work-life balance. All right, here we go. Number 1, cybersecurity analyst. Cybersecurity analysts can earn upwards of $84,000 a year entry level. One of the main functions of a cybersecurity professional is to protect computer systems and networks from cyber threats. Number 2, data analyst. Data analysts can earn between $60,000 to $65,000 per year entry level. Data analysts collect, analyze, and interpret data. One of the things I love about data analysts is they take the data that they collect and they use it to help support decisions in companies. It's one of my favorites on the list. Number 3, tech sales. You can earn $70,000 a year entry level in tech sales. And depending on where you work and where you live, you can make a lot more. Some tech sales professionals make upwards of $100K plus. And I get it. I know a lot of people don't like sales, but if you don't like coding, tech sales is the way to go. Not to mention the earning potential is bananas. Number 4, sales engineer. This is one of these titles that a lot of people are not familiar with, but it's very lucrative. Sales engineers can earn anywhere between $75K to $100K entry level. Again, it just depends on where you live and where you work. And similar to sales technicians, sales engineers do a lot of B2B sales, but what makes them unique is they do a lot of sales demonstrations as well. If you're a person that likes sales and like tech, this is the way to go. And number 5, QA automation. In other words, quality assurance automation. QA automation testers can earn $70,000 a year entry level. One of your primary duties is just making sure software is up to par. In other words, it meets quality standards. Not too bad of a gig for $70,000 a year, huh? And again, all of these careers are entry level. You don't have to go to college to get these careers. There are a ton of boot camps out here where you can learn these skills in as little as 4 weeks. One of the programs I would recommend is Careerist. Careerist can help you break into tech in as little as 15 weeks. And they will also help you find and apply to jobs. If you're interested in learning more about them, just go to my link in the bio and I have a link for you to learn more. And be sure to follow me for more tech career tips. You're welcome.